Today, I would like to talk about my friend Sarah, who has chosen a career as a nurse. Sarah has always been passionate about helping others, and this drive led her to pursue a career in healthcare. After completing her high school education, she enrolled in a nursing program at a reputable university. The coursework was demanding, but Sarah's determination was evident. She often shared her experiences with me, discussing how she balanced her studies with practical placements in hospitals. These hands-on experiences not only enhanced her clinical skills, but also deepened her empathy towards patients. One thing that stands out about Sarah is her commitment to continuous learning. She regularly attends workshops and seminars to stay updated on the latest practices in nursing. This dedication has helped her excel in her role, and she is well respected by her colleagues and supervisors. Sarah works in a busy hospital, primarily in the emergency department. Her ability to remain calm under pressure is remarkable. I remember her sharing a story about a particularly hectic night when several critical patients arrived simultaneously. She played a crucial role in triaging and providing care, demonstrating not just her clinical skills, but also her leadership qualities. Moreover, Sarah's interactions with patients are truly inspiring. She has a unique ability to make people feel at ease, even in stressful situations. Her compassion and patience have made a significant impact on many patients' experiences during difficult times. In summary, Sarah's journey in the medical field is a testament to her hard work and dedication. Her passion for nursing and her desire to make a difference in people's lives exemplify the qualities that are essential in healthcare professionals. I admire her not just for her career choice, but for the positive impact she has on those around her.